Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of December 2020. We're going to talk about Affirm. It's been a long time since I did a price prediction in this market. You guys can see it goes all the way back to July 2022. And I'm trying to figure out how high could Affirm go. You guys can see that we're definitely in a very strong market right now in Affirm. So I wanted to see if there's still any meat left on the bone for us to actually capitalize off this trend. So let's go ahead and break down to it. But first, as I always do, I want to show you how the market panned out amidst our price prediction. Like I said, it's back in July 2022, the 18th. You guys can see I was looking for price to go up in the firm. It took maybe 3 to 4 days for the market hit our ultimate TP price, 30.72% there. It ran all the way up to $40.80 on August the 16th. So if you were able to get that much out the market, congratulations. That's like 78% profit win right there. And then after that moment, that was the high in Affirm. And then the market completely fell off a cliff, right? So now here we are today. So we're going to identify what's been going on into the market in the firm. Currently, we're bullish. Okay. So what does this mean? This one line simply represents the overall sentiment of the market. Everyone is looking to buy a firm. We're trending higher. They're seeking value. They're seeking consensus of the market, and as long as the consensus continue to show demand, the price in the firm will continue to go up, period. Okay, take a look at this on the 2-day chart. You guys can see how the market has really been hugging, and it's like it's struggling trying to continue to move up in price on these 2-day price bars. Now what it's also is showing is that off of this weakness here, the market in the firm still went up. Off of this weakness here, the market still went up. So every time the market is inching higher in price, it gets hit with selling. That is why the volume here in the firm over the last couple of 2-day price bars is high. This is where the battle currently resides between the buyers and the sellers. Okay. So who do you think is going to win out? Buyers or the sellers? Here's a firm on the 3-day. To me, it looked like the buyers are going to win out because every time the sellers hit the market right here, and even on this 3-day price bar, the market still ends up higher. This is a probable precursor of strength. So at the ending of today, 8 hours and 49 minutes, the next 3 days, we have to see price close above this close. If it does, then it means that those buyers are still there. Here it is on the 5. Again, another indicator triggered. Take a look at Affirm on the weekly. Kind of mixed. Here it is on the 2. Another indicator triggered. You have back-to-back indicators triggered here in Affirm on the 2-weekly chart. This shows you how bullish that market was at that time. Here it is on the 3. Here's Affirm on the 5. So we may need to focus our attention on this zone right around here. Okay, that might be a sell zone into the market for Affirm. So I do suspect, let me look at this on a 330-minute chart first. Okay, I do think price is still kind of bullish, but I wouldn't be surprised to see the market go lower first. And that simply means we need to see the market ultimately hold. There's a couple of buy zones here in the market in the firm. Here's one area that the market buyers needs to hold. Here's another area here. And then I'll have to say this third area. Okay. So these 3 levels is where I need to see the buyers hold price in the firm in order for my price prediction to remain valid, i.e. looking for the market to go up. Now let me take this over to this sell zone over here. I want to see where the sellers are. So here is where the sell zone is in a firm. Okay. So let me bring it over to those. This area right there is where the sellers are. Okay, that's the first one. The biggest sell zone is all the way up here though. We may not even see the market in the firm reach that high. But that's a big sell zone there too. And I need to break that minute bar, this 7-hour bar down. So let me see where that 7-hour bar is on a 1-hour chart. See if we can find it. Zoom in on it. Okay, so it's, I need to break it down further off of that 1-hour bar. So let's do it on a 90-minute, no, 30-minute. Let's see if we could go that far back. Okay, so check this out. So let's draw the sell zone here. Okay, so we got that. Let's put this back over on the daily time frame now, bring it back to the current time. And these will be the targets now, okay? So the first target is still at this closer sell zone, 11%, $48.60. First target, second target is up here at the high of that sell zone, $51.50, 17.67% there. Then my third target is going to be up here towards $60 at the lower second sell zone, 36.69% there. Now, ultimately, I want the market in Affirm to hold this bottom portion buy zone. Even though I do see these two, it'll be better if they do hold these two buy zones. But if they don't, I give the market room to come down to like 32.50 in order for this to play out. Okay. So I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about what do you guys think Affirm is going to do going into 2024. So far, the market is still bullish, i.e., the longer that we see price neglect and fail to trade above this first sell zone, the less likely price is going to continue to go up. Just wanted to throw that in there. Okay, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.